So we are going to go through our continents and oceans study guide, or I put it on Classroom the world map. In class, what we would normally do is I would give you this at the beginning of the introductory unit, and we would have a test over this at the end. But instead of doing that while we're on NTI, we're going to go through this, and then I will have a class kick made where you work on the continents and oceans again next class period. So it's really important for you to know this because you need to know sort of where things are happening as we talk about American history. We know where North America is, hopefully, but that's about the extent of most eighth graders' knowledge that I've found as they come to me for social studies. So it's really important for not just for your life that you know where different countries, different continents, and different oceans are located, just so you sort of know what's going on in the world. That's part of being a good citizen. So let's go ahead and go through these. You will label this on Cami as well, so you will do exactly what I do, the exact way that I do it. If you want to open up that worksheet, you can be working on that as you watch the video. That's fine. It's just up to you. We will just start with number 1 and work our way down. So I'm going to have a text box here, and let's see if that font will work. 16 will work. So 1 is right here. This is the continent of Africa. That is going to be a continent we talk about quite a bit in American history. Number 2 is here. Where is that? Is here. This is the coldest place. You should know this, Antarctica. Number 3 is right here. This is where like China is. That is the continent of Asia. Number 4 over here. It's all of this. That is Australia. Number 5 is right here. This is a continent we will talk about a lot throughout American history as well. This is Europe. Number 6, you should know this continent. That is North America. You should also know the 3 countries in this continent: Canada, the United States, and Mexico. You should know that. Number 7, this is South America. All right, and we'll move this over so you can see. Number 8, we are to the oceans now. 8 is up here, and this is actually called the Arctic Ocean. Number 9 is here and here. That's because it's not 2 different oceans. It's saying it stretches all the way through here. This is on like the Florida side, the Virginia side, if you've been to Virginia Beach or somewhere in Florida, or Myrtle Beach in South Carolina, places like that. That is the Atlantic Ocean. But you haven't been to the Atlantic Ocean if you've been on this coast, the east coast of the United States. Number 10 is here. This is called the Indian Ocean. There we go. Number 11 is here and here. So it's not 2 different oceans. It stretches because this is a map, right? It's flat. It should be like the globe that's circular. So this would go all the way around. That is on the side of California. If you've been to the western part of the United States and been to the ocean, that's the Pacific Ocean. And number 12 is right here. This is technically these four are the ones that I learned when I was in school. But 12 is one that some people recognize. It's on this map, so we're going to recognize it. It's called the Southern Ocean. So you will have this on Classroom as a PDF to be able to look at or to be able to edit. Make sure that you come back and you watch this video, you pause whatever you need to do to make sure you get this all copied down correctly. And then in the next class period, we will work with this on Class Kick. If you have any questions, let me know.